straight pot roast. And we're going to do up a bit of a marinade. About a quarter of a cup of apple cider vinegar. 1/8 of a cup of soy sauce. Some roasted garlic, if you have any. If not, actually I'm going to wait to put that right into the bag. But if you don't have roasted garlic, by all means, use garlic powder, chopped fresh garlic, and the like. Worcestershire sauce, about a quarter of a cup. And into the bag afterwards, some salt. So, here I have a Ziploc bag, or a Ziploc bag, whatever. Take your roast, put it on in there. And take some of the garlic, probably about a teaspoon, half of a tablespoon. Put that in there. My salt. Salt. I'm going to put in a few good heaping pinches of salt. Yes, I know there's soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. And then we're going to put this in there. Just like so. Start massaging it first before you squeeze out the air. Just like so. Put this into the fridge for 2 days. Every few hours or at least once a day. Take it out, massage it around. You really want to work it in. Ready? Alrighty, 2 days later, and it's time for the roast. There's the roast on the cutting board. In the frying pan, I'm rendering down some bacon. I want to get the fat out of there so we can sear the roast. This is stovetop braising that we're going to do. So while that's doing that, we are going to carefully get the roast out of the bag, hopefully without making a mess. So what you want to do, give it some salt. So I've just put the roast into the hot pan. It's pretty smoking. We're going to sear this on all sides. As you can see, I put it on the far side of the pan. And we'll pick it up, turn it. That way then that part of the pan can heat back up. Now we're going to take this out. Put it off to the side. Same pan, you don't want to get rid of anything. Some red wine. Oops. You want to scrape to this. About a cup and a half of mushroom broth. Okay. To this now, liquid that was marinating the roast, and to this, about half a can of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to put the roast back in. Okay. To this, I'm going to add some slice the mushrooms. Or you can use whole, doesn't matter. Just going to put in carrots. And celery. Now we want to add a couple bay leaves right to the liquid. And then a couple sprigs of fresh rosemary. Don't need to cut it down, just put it in whole. Cover this. Turn it down to low. And then walk away for 3 hours. Alrighty, so now I have some bok choy, which I've cleaned underwater already. And we are going to take a very little piece off the bottom, just like so. And then split them down the middle, like so. Take out the pot roast, drain some of that liquid, and then right onto the cutting board. And we'll let that rest for 10 to 20 minutes. And then in the meantime, we're going to take our bok choy and just lay on top, cut side down, into the broth, and then recover. Basically let it go until the bok choy is soft. Now, it's been about 15 minutes. And we're going to slice into this bad boy. It's not as pink as I would normally like it, but hey, still going to be packed full of flavor. There you go. Now to plate up. We're going to do this. I'm going to take a few slices right in the middle, just like so. We're going to take a bok choy, like so. And some veggies. And then we'll add a couple Yorkshire puddings. Sue doesn't like Yorkshire pudding, There you go.